well, welcome back to the channel, man. Should I be worried? No. I went flying the FPV for the second time. Well, it's only the second time though. But, well, I'm not used to the goggles. It's a bit annoying when you fly low, when you go low, and it starts beeping all the time. Get a bit nervous with that. I don't know what happened. I've lost half of the footage. I must have clicked the record button. I don't know. I'm not used to the remote. I'm trying to pinch, you know, and I must have clicked with the record button. I have about 4 minutes of recording. I'll try my best to show you. It was windy. It was a bit windy, and well, we all know already that the drone leans. Yeah, it's not a Mavic. Yeah. But I have to learn how to compensate that. I don't know if it's windy and the drone leans. Yeah. How do I put the drone? I have to figure it out. I have no idea how to do that. I'm a Mavic flyer, so I don't know. I'm a Mavic pilot flyer or whatever. I'm used to Mavic, so yeah. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for and accompany me in my progress. trying to learn how to fly that. Never flown FPVs anytime in my life, ever. So yeah, well, stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. Cheers, man.